to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you some of my favorite eco-friendly and vegan bathroom swaps. So the products range from shampoo and conditioner to even waxing. Most of the products are, all of the products are vegan, but only some are eco-friendly. It's more due to their packaging, unfortunately. But some do have a recycle program associated with them. So, first things first, I'm going to show you my shampoo bars. So I have these shampoo bars. This one is called Honey I Washed My Hair. It was about like $11.95 maybe, I bought a bunch of these for my birthday a little while back, and they've lasted me each about a month, maybe a month and a half. So for $12 for a month and a half is pretty fantastic. So they do last a while, and so you can see they don't have a plastic container, so I do love that. I just bought a little ceramic dish, and that's what I keep it in. They also sell metal tins to hold them in, and those are good for traveling. I haven't invested in those yet, but it's on my list. And then the next thing I bought from them was 2 different conditioners. So that is from Lush, and then I bought their conditioner. So this is one of them. It's called Retread. This one was not my favorite. I preferred this other one that I got, which is called Candy Rain. The Candy Rain just smelled nicer to me. The one thing I do like about the Retread is that it comes in this 100% recycled plastic container, and when you return 5 of these containers all cleaned out, you can get a free face mask. So I do like that they have a recycle program. Unfortunately, I don't think that this bottle is associated with that recycle program, but like I said, I did like it. It smelled really nice. Again, it's a vegan product. The bottle is made from 100% recycled plastic, so that's fantastic. Lush is also a company that fights against animal testing, and a lot of their products are what they call naked, so a lot of them are bottleless. Not everything is, but I'm sure they're working on that, and I'm sure that's really hard with a liquid product. But again, they have that recycling program, which I like. I also bought their moisturizer, which if you guys have seen my everyday fall makeup look, this was the moisturizer that I used. It's called Celestial. Again, it's a vegan product. They're on their website, they're listed as 100% vegetarian, so I'm sure there's some products on there that aren't vegan, but pretty much all the products that I've tried have been vegan. I haven't come across anything that wasn't vegan, but I'm sure I will one day. But again, 5 fresh, clean containers earn you a face mask. And then I also bought their cup of coffee face mask. It literally smells like a cup of coffee, and if you guys know me, you know how much I love coffee. I make a cup literally every morning. So it's just some coffee grounds with like agave. Yeah, just lots of coffee, cocoa extract, stuff like that. It smells absolutely delicious. And again, non-eco-friendly container, but it is part of that recycle program. So I have about 3 of these right here, and I have 2 more that I can, when all 5 are done, I'm going to go collect a face mask. So I love that. And the next thing I want to show you is my toothbrush. So this is from a company called Bite, and I have another toothbrush. This was my original. But the thing about Bite's toothbrush that I like is that it's a detachable head. So that's the cool part about it, is that when the head wears out, you can toss that out and it'll decompose and you can buy a new head. So that is the cool thing about Bite that I liked about their toothbrush. I also bought their toothpaste bites. So I like their toothpaste bites. There's 62 bites in a container, so it lasts you about 2 months for 1 container. These 2 obviously will last me 4 months, and you can get on their subscription program. They use cardboard to ship all of their packages, so they're eco-friendly in their packaging when they ship. These, obviously, toothpaste bites are in a glass container. Little cute glass container. It's just this little tiny bite. And you stick that in your mouth and you bite down and it foams in your mouth. So that's really cool. I do like these. They are harsh chemical free, they're fluoride free, they're also vegan, gluten free as well, so if anybody's gluten sensitive. They're also sulfate free, so they use a lot of all natural ingredients, so that was also a positive as well. Okay, and then the next thing I want to show you guys is I bought a waxing kit for sugar wax. Obviously sugar is a vegan product, but this is the coconut dusting powder that came in it. So the coconut dusting powder, you apply the coconut dusting powder and then you apply the wax. So this is the sugar wax. You heat it up a little bit, and it also came with these popsicle sticks and some cloths as well to apply the product. So I did like that. It all came together in one kit. I believe the kit was about $36.95, so about $37. I used it to wax my legs and I liked it. I've seen people use them for their armpits, so that was also neat. I haven't used it on any other areas other than my legs, so I'll be interested to find out if you can use it on your nether regions. I haven't seen that. But it'll be something to research and look out for. So the next product that I wanted to show you is makeup. I use Arbonne's Perfecting Liquid Foundation, and I use a lot of their other products as well. They are a vegan company. They also do some skincare products. They also do shampoo and conditioner as well. Unfortunately, they're not as eco-friendly as I'd like, but they do have eco-friendly makeup wipes, which I really like, and they are working on being more eco-friendly. I believe they have a recycling program as well, so I do really appreciate that. I appreciate the effort they're putting forward to become more eco-friendly. But I use their foundation, I use their mascara, I use their lipstick. I use a ton of their products, and it's always been good for my, it's always worked well with my sensitive skin. I do have sensitive skin, so I do tend to break out when I use products with harsh chemicals, or if I use products that aren't necessarily plant-based. It just doesn't react well with my skin, and it never has. Unfortunately, I've never been able to use their moisturizer, and that's where I ended up, outsourcing and looking at the Lush moisturizer, which is great for sensitive skin. So there are some products that unfortunately never meshed well with me, but again, they're another vegan company, so if you want to try them out, I'll leave a link down below for you guys, and I'll link all of these products down below for you guys. That way you can look at them yourselves, do your own research, and see if any of them will be good for you. And that is about it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below for me. Also be sure to leave a comment letting me know what your favorite eco-friendly or vegan bathroom products are. I would love to check them out. And that is all for today, guys. I love you guys so much, and I will see you all next week for another video. Bye, guys.